Ladies and gentlemen, look like Adidas stocks have been downgraded by RBC. Says they have too many fires to put out. When did this occur? A day after they terminated the contract with Kanye West. They were also downgraded. So they said Adidas have too many fires to put out, according to RBC Capital Markets, which downgraded its ratings on the sportswear group a day after it terminated its partnership with Kanye West. The rating was a cut to sector performance from outperform before a target price was slashed from £100 to £150. Analysts at the bank believe the German sportswear company has a mounting number of challenges facing the business, including its termination of Kanye West partnership, which is a Yeezy brand that it was putting out, which West followed accusations of anti Semitism by the rapper. The termination of the deal is expected to cost Adidas between 1.7 billion to 1.8 billion in revenue. Wow. And 750 million net income gap. If our estimates are correct, this implies Adidas was reliant on Yeezy for 45% of their fiscal year of 2021. So Yeezy was their biggest brand and they cut that and they were downgraded. Wow. So, they are going to continue to put Yeezys out, but without Kanye West's name on it. And of course, he's real upset about that. So apparently, if Yeezy accounted for 45% of their revenue, then yeah, now you see why they're turning around and putting it out under their brand name. Because without it, they have a lot to lose. Mm-mm-mm. So we think significantly higher than many investors had previously estimated. So they're estimating that Yeezy accounted for 45% of their revenue, but possibly it could be even higher than that. Adidas says it is looking to sell Yeezy product design for which it still owns the rights under its own branding rather than the Yeezy branding in the first quarter of next year. RBC said that Adidas believe it can limit the loss of revenue through this strategy. Yeah, but now everybody know Kanye is no longer affiliated with the brand. I mean, is it going to really have the same impact out in the market? I mean, come on, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Virtually everybody have seen y'all cut ties with Kanye West. So Adidas will also save on expenses related to royalties and marketing fees. However, RBC is less optimistic on the impact this will have, arguing the price point will have been lowered and the core Yeezy customer may not be as willing to purchase without the Kanye connection. Exactly. Exactly. You know, no matter what you feel about Kanye still have a lot of fans out here worldwide. Whether you like it or not, he does. And those fans may look at those Yeezys under a different branding and not want them anymore. I mean, it's not a sure thing that they're going to go out and buy it. And that's why you can tell in this article, the investors are really in doubt. They don't know what's going to happen now. Aside from this issue, the German company must also deal with the slowing demand that it has led to a buildup of inventory in Western markets. So, in other words, they're staying on the shelves a lot longer, and people are not buying the Adidas brand in big numbers anymore. And they said in the Western market, so that would include the markets here in America. Interesting. Which RBC believes will impact sales and margins into 2023. Additionally, Adidas have one payment related to exiting Russia and to settle a legal dispute, as well as weakening of trends in China. So it looks like a lot of places on this earth, Adidas, their brand is really not doing that well. RBC said it prefers sportswear rival Nike, which it believes has its own challenges, better contained alongside a more compelling growth outlook. So they said between the two companies, Adidas might be a little more better off. Look, time will tell. Time will tell, and we won't even have to wait that long because you got the Gentile holiday seasons coming up. And this is a big time of the year where people are buying clothings and sneakers and gift giving, and all that stuff is going to be going on over the next few weeks. And if these brands are impacted, you should see it in the next couple of weeks where people are just not going out and buying them like they used to. They may be looking for a shoe more reasonable in price than your Nikes and Adidas. But it won't take long because if their sales are not that great, you'll see the outcome of it because they always show you how the Christmas sales have gone. It'll show you the stocks for around this time of the year, where they are now, where they are after the holidays. So all of that'll be revealed. So it won't take long if there are performance issues with the products or people have just decided not to buy these big name brand sneakers anymore and they're just looking for sneakers elsewhere. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this story. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.